2018 Ram 1500, 5.7 liter Hemi, all the way from Alabama. We appreciate him coming down. Let me show you guys what we've done. We've done a full system on this thing. Here we go. Factory converter, factory converter. Then we crossed it over and true dualed it. He brought his own custom X pipe. As you guys can see right there, we installed it for him. Then he brought two Carven R's. We installed them also. There'll be a link in the description for the X pipe and the Carven R's. Then 2.5-inch system all the way back on each side there. And then out that side, all 2.5, custom bent. And then finished it off with two big balls, 5-inch black tips. Came out really clean, really nice, as you guys can see. And we cut off everything. There, we cut it off right at the Y, cut the muffler off, cut the tailpipes off, the resonators. Came out with a nice, clean job, as you guys can see. Look at that. Just nice. Clean, all custom, all the way. Stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. That sounds clean. You like it? I like it. Give it gas. That sounds clean. Again. Got a really nice idle to it. Big balls, tips. 109. That's crazy. Again. That's perfect. One more. 105. True dual Carvens with X pipe. Again. Go ahead and back it up. Got a nice deep idle to it. I like it. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Give us a call if you guys ever need anything. Again, we appreciate the support, guys. Good looking truck. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Ram 1500, true dualed with Carvens and X pipe, and 2.5-inch system all the way back, all the way from Alabama. We appreciate it so much. He's gonna put a supercharger on it next, guys. So hopefully he'll bring it back. We'll check it out. What do you think? That's how I want everybody to be when they hear their trucks. Nest. She nest. I love it. Yeah, yeah. We'll see yours next.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy it, bro.
Yeah.
Get a drive off for him. That sounds clean. That's nice. I like it.
He's sick, bro. He's sick. I'm coming back.
Enjoy it, guys.